Update time. Okay, I've made significant improvement. This is the patio. I've cleaned out. I've got the back over there still yet to do. But I cleaned out the borders of the patio. Yeah, these are vervain, so I don't intend to take them out except for the dead parts. So area is pretty cleaned out. I have to clean out under the coconut trees area, which was not seen. Now let's look at the back where I took the picture. Okay, so I started the cardboarding thing. I've got my little pile going on over there. Cardboarding. So some major improvements. This area is being cleaned out slowly but surely. And yeah, this I might have to just mow it down. So I have to figure out what I'm gonna do. Maybe before I mow it down, I'm just gonna pull out the shrubs that are easier to pull out. But I did pull out some shrubs back here by one of the small banana trees, and they call it Medicine tree right here. This is medicinal. And I started cardboarding over there. So I created 3 little sections. Well, other than this, the other area that's sort of on its own, the patio area, which I did not show in the picture. And here we go by the banana trees. This I did 2 days ago. All right, so this is 2 days ago. I did the banana trees. I cleaned out the morning glory from the fence, and that's basically it. So this is 2 days worth of work. First day, morning glory from the fence, cleaned out the front of the fence. I did the patio there, not the patio, the banana tree area over there with the cardboard. And yesterday, I didn't do much yesterday. Yesterday, I just cleaned out this area and I started the cardboard area. And I cleaned out a little bit around the lemongrass area. So it's gonna take me a little while by myself, but one of the things that helped me out a lot were people telling me keep them posted. That got me started. Highly appreciated. Sometimes you don't know if you're helping, but those comments were so helpful. So I wanted to share with you my progress. Thank you. Bye.